Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find document templates on the Krita application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the New File button on the left side on the screen, and here you can find different templates for animation, comic and mangas, design, DSLR and texture. And just select one and click to the use this template button, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.